Okay, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Henry, and today I'm gonna teach you how to code a function. It's called search. So search is a simple function that we can actually implement in our code in the root for the user interface interactive. And the video should be short so that you can easily understand. So let's begin. The first thing we need to create is to create a little form of the search button. Here's my code. From the search book title to the submit button in the form which link the action to books search. The books here is the route that we have already set in the app here. So the thing is we need to dot dash and a new search here. So this search can be coded in this root, the root file, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a root. So basically, root search is not going to open a page. So the only thing we're gonna need to do is to get it. So I'm gonna get search here from here, and for the search, we have to use a synchronization to wait for the function to find all the data that meet our criterions in the search field. So we need to use a synchronization with request, result, comment, response, and next. And it's a function, so we need to use a lambda type code. Okay. The next thing is we want to get the value of the input field that user inputted in. So let's get it. Search value equals request dot query dot title. Then what's the title? The title is what I've named here. So when it will get the value of the input field name title and assign it to the search value in this file. So in the NodeJS, especially Express, it has a function named find, which you can put in parameters to search for a specific data. If you don't input any parameter in this find function, then it will find all of the data in the connected database. So we're gonna create a constant hold value of the search. We want to return to the user data. Okay, const search lookup equals wait for a synchronization book model. For someone who doesn't understand what is book model, please watch my previous videos to fully understand the code, and you can check it at my GitHub page for reference and better knowledge. Okay, here's the find function. So if we don't put any parameter in this, then it will get all of the letters. So we need to fill with the requirements, the conditions in this function for it to find the correct data that the user wants to find. So I'm going to input title, input to find a title which has a specific thing. So new break sp. So this is a function where we can pattern the condition. So if you want it to find only numbers or find only alphabets or measurable or case sensitive one, then you can use regsp. Its full name is regular expression. You can search for more on the internet. So we're gonna pattern string. So we're gonna input in the search value that the user wants to find, search value, and then for this, if we only use this, then it will find the value that is case sensitive, which means that it could search for B or this B. Yeah, and it can remove the thing that's not in the list, not meets the criterion. So if you want it to look for something case insensitive, so there's an I. Okay, so after finding the things, you should turn to the index page with the value we have find. Books yes. and pass the books with the search lookup we have find. Yeah, I think it should be enough. Let's try if it works or not. Okay, so I have a list of 2 items here. I'm at one more. Okay, title book 3. Yeah, 3. Price about 1,000 things 2,000. Okay, so this thing I'm gonna enter the hello. So check if it find the hello or not. So as you can see, it found the hello, and if I only enter 3, it found these. Because 3 here, 3 here. Okay. So if I want to find, wait, create new, book 3, 4, and price about 10, right? So as you can see, this is not a big B, but this is a small b. So we have assigned the case insensitive function in the code, so it should find 3 of this. It should be here. Yeah, you can see here. But if we don't assign the while condition for case insensitive finding, then it will only return this. So yeah, that's all of the function search is really simple. With a few lines of code that you can really make a website more complex and flexible. And you can assign some of the algorithms that I taught you in the previous videos, linear search or binary search. Okay, okay. So I will post this code on GitHub. Please go to check it out if you want to use this for um, educational purpose or just for reference. Okay, okay. Okay. I hope you have a great day and find a good way to learn my code and be a good coder some ways. Okay, goodbye.